gunshots will make you levitate.
Alright, so we're making some things happen to Crowd Fave. We've come out here today to Tingod. It's not his truck, but some of the things he's working on, very fucking cool. Have a look at Tingod Solutions. Very cool stuff.
Okay, fucking custom wheels and shit. It's meant to have chrome bumpers. Someone's just painted them crackhead silver.
Oh no! Oh no! So we had a mishap. I'll run the footage of that.
We're not going to give you a ticket for driving a defective vehicle.
I honestly think you're fucking
No, no. I will do, mate. Okay?
We'll be back next week undefected.
That's fine.
Waste of your time.
Okay. Well, it's not a waste of my time.
It is, though.
It's my job. Okay. Sorry?
Anyway, get it done. Come on.
I will do. You know it's an offence to remove the sticker.
I don't obviously fucking know that, mate. Hurry up. No shit to do.
Alright. You know it's an offence to use swear words
please
in a
hurry up,
public place?
sir.
Okay? What's your reason for using profane language in a public place? Well, go on.
You fucked my day. Just get it over and done with.
Well, I haven't, actually. I've probably saved your life.
Alright.
Alright, it's an offence to remove
It's
an offence to remove a defect notice.
But yeah, we're out here. Working on mini trucks. Oof. Tim's done these ones for me. Flip center, offset for short and diff. So I can run stockies to go get a roadworthy, clear the defects. So yeah. Taken out all the tanks, mounts, everything. Everything came out last weekend. And it's all gone away. Tim's got most of it over here. Been powder coated. Looking fucking fresh as a motherfucker.
Maybe not me though.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna re-rhino this because we've had a bit of a oopsie here. So we're gonna fuck this off, re-rhino it, mount all the shit back up, get it looking flash as fuck again. You know? Good, thanks yourself. So we had a minor setback, the gun fucked up, but we got there in the end. So we redone the Raptor line. Looking fucking good again.
How are you, man?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. Tim's been hard over here. We've got his hard as putting all new bolts and shit in the compressors. So got the bases and shit powder coated. Fucking should look good.
Open up your mind. None are more enslaved than those with false beliefs of fate. Feel the draw the line, encompassing every breath. What a messed up state to be. There's a line, make a coincidence and souls entwined, deliver me from pain. Don't wanna be lost running on my shadow. Use mine to break the line. I can see it now.
What happened?
Okay.
Fucking hell. So we've got all everything in, pretty much. Got all that in, got the grill all painted up, we were doing really well. And then we noticed that there's a pinprick in the
No way.
air tank. Tim.
Number one.
No, there's a pinprick in the air tank. So
You gotta stop sticking your dick in the air tank.
we might change that one over, I think, before it blows the fuck up and blows the back end of this truck
We
apart.
got no pizza.
No pizza. And now we're fucking out of pizza. So
Where's the screwdriver?
nah, has it got air in it?
No.
So I don't think that tank's very fucking solid anymore. So I've come around to Laughlin's just to change the wheels back over from the stockies to the billets. in standard Laughlin things, we can't just do one thing. So we found a few issues by taking the window tin off today. My window has fallen down into the door, so I'm gonna start pulling the door card off while he's changing the wheels. Everything's pretty well done.
It's not too bad.
I'll give you a walk around after we've changed the wheels and explain a few things that we got done. Morning, see Riley.
What's going on, man?
So we got the wheels back on. It was a bit dark last night, so I've just waited for today. We've got a shoot on today, not with this, with a truck. So yeah, but I'll just run you through what we got done at Tingod and stuff like that. So obviously you watch me. You watched me do the billets. Tim's done all this. Base plates came up amazing. New stickers fresh. Came up really good. All that's looking really good. The rhino's done. This tub used to like flap around, Flappy Bird. So we fixed all that sort of stuff. We've got, I'll show you the new headlights. They're pretty good. Looks pretty angry, I reckon. I'm into it. So yeah, that's about it really. Going back out to Tingod today, hopefully get a few things done on it. Hopefully going to AccuAir, so yeah, that might be in episode 2 I think. But that'll probably do episode 1 for now, and yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Catch it.